Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, west central Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Indian Land, or near Pineville, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Weddington, Marvin, Pineville, the Arboretum, and South Charlotte. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Mecklenburg, and Union.